According to neuroscience, the first 5 minutes that you wake up every morning are the most potent, powerful times to manifest, to imprint into your subconscious, and to redirect what happens for the rest of your day. When you first wake up in the morning, your brain is this highly suggestible state. It's moving between theta and alpha brain waves, between this state of sleep and wakefulness. In this state, we can actually access the subconscious mind. And remember, our subconscious runs 95% of every decision, of every thought, of every emotion we feel. 95%. Did you catch that? That's 95% of your entire life. So just like soft clay, in those first 5 minutes of the day, we can literally reshape our minds. So whatever you're thinking and feeling about in those first 5 minutes, it literally influences the foundation of what you experience throughout the day because you carry that energy with you. For many years, the first thing I would do is reach for my phone and scroll through text or social media or look at emails right away. Or jump out of bed and running to go make the kids lunches and without even stopping to think for a minute. What happens when I do things like that is that instantly my nervous system goes into reaction mode. Stress, overwhelm, before I even freaking take a breath. But I've started doing something different and it's working and it's so simple. I've started training my mind to create instead of react. It's called the what if game, and I learned this from Abraham Hicks. So basically when you're laying in bed, before you ever even open your eyes, and you're still just halfway kind of awake and asleep, we start setting our intentions with this what if game, which redirects our thoughts towards what we want and literally changes our emotional state. So instead of affirming, I am abundant and I having the best day of my life today, which can create resistance because you're like, well, whatever, yesterday wasn't the best day of my life. Why is today going to be? So instead of just affirming that's what's going to happen and I am that, which works for some people, I like Abraham's twist on it where we say, what if? What if I wake up today and the weather is perfect? What if my tea or my coffee tastes better than normal? What if I go outside and there's beautiful birds singing to me? What if I really feel good when I wake up? What if my children give me the best hugs I've ever had today? What if me and my husband have deep, meaningful connection and we laugh more than we normally do? What if we all dance and we just get silly and it's really fun? What if everything works out for me today? What if it is the best day of my life? What if unexpected money just falls into my lap? What if? What if I laugh out loud? What if I feel peaceful? What if I'm really happy today? What if that happens? What if I do something for me today and that makes me feel good? What if everything just feels easy and I'm clear about what I want? So you don't have to believe everything you're saying, right? You just have to create the potential, the possibility, and the wonder. And when you shift this state, you actually are shifting your frequency. Frequency is not some woo-woo spiritual thing. Frequency is measured by the electromagnetic fields that are coming out of your body. And when you shift your frequency, you shift what you attract. When we practice any kind of positive visualization or elevated emotional states, first thing in the morning during that theta alpha window, we're literally rewiring our neural pathways. And this process is called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reshape itself. And the more we play this what if game for just 5 minutes in the morning, we literally begin to shift our belief system, the foundation of all that we are. Because we don't manifest what we want or what we dream for. We manifest what we believe and what we believe is possible. We are training our brain to expect miracles. I'm Sarah Stone Love. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to maybe take things not so seriously and have fun with it and turn manifesting into a game, the what if game. I know that when I make things light and easy, I tend to do them more often. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know, leave me a comment, like it, subscribe, and join me every week where I'll be sharing more powerful, potent content on how you can start manifesting your dreams and start aligning with your true, authentic self. Because your dreams matter, they're your purpose. And you and I, we're worth it.